Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make Windows 11 files, or basically any version of Windows. Doesn't have to be Windows 11, it could be Windows 10 or Windows 7, for example. How to make those files bootable. So let's say you have a folder on your desktop, for example, that you have the setup files and everything, but you want to turn it into a bootable ISO file. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge for today's tutorial. And I already have this application installed on my computer, but I'll show you guys how to get to it on your end. And basically, it's just IMG, BURN. Go ahead and search for that. And I'm actually going to type at the end of this major geeks. Go ahead and search for that. The issue is I think that ImageBurn, when I tried downloading this file recently before this tutorial, I noticed that it appeared that it was some third-party download site from what it appeared to me, so that's why I'd rather just go through Major Geeks for this. So I'm going to go ahead and select the download at Major Geeks. I'm not going to select the installer version. I'm just going to select one of the other options below because I don't really want to install an installer here. So go ahead and let it begin downloading. Go ahead and open up the file to run it. Welcome to the ImageBurn Setup Wizard. Go ahead and select Next. Accept the terms of the license agreement. Select Next again. Next, Next, and just finish up here. And then you want to select Finish. So now at this point, go ahead and open up ImageBurn. Select where it says Create Image from Files/Folders. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to go ahead, you want to select the little folder icon and then select the containment folder for your files. So right now it's on my desktop, for example. So I'm just going to go ahead and over my desktop. I'm going to select the Windows files. It might be a different name in your case. I'm going to go ahead and select that. This is the folder we want to make bootable. So now that you've done that, go ahead and select the little plus icon next to destination. I'm just going to save it to my desktop here. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Windows Files Finished. And this is going to be an ISO file. Select Save. And once you are done with that, go ahead and select the Advanced tab over here. Select the bootable disk and then check mark where it says Make Image Bootable. And once you're done with that where it says Boot Image, go ahead and click the little folder icon. And then you want to go select the disk image. So I'm going to go back to my desktop here. I'm going to select the original ISO file before we made any modifications to it. So I'm going to go ahead and select the boot image file here. And then once you are done with that, go ahead and select this little folder icon on the bottom left here. Select Yes, and then select Yes, and then OK. And then it's going to begin writing this ISO file. Please be patient. This will take a couple minutes here. And there you go, guys. Operation successfully completed. Close out of here. And this is our ISO file. Pretty straightforward process. Do a buzz able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.